So we are standing in front of a 8x40 shipping container home. Come check it out. Let's go. So this is the inside of our premium 40-foot model. We have the shiplap ceiling. We have the living space right here with the vinyl wood plank flooring. This is our hurricane rated glass that has the floor to ceiling hurricane rated glass. We have the kitchen. It has the workstation kitchen sink. It has the cutting board, the drying rack. We have the induction stove cooktop. We have the microwave convection oven with the ventilation system. We have the upper and lower premium cabinets. We also have a space for a full-size refrigerator. And as you can see right here, this is a 2-in-1 washer dryer. As we go into the bathroom, we have the pocket doors which separate the kitchen from the bathroom. Here's your toilet, which can be completely connected to septic or sewage. You have some storage space right here. Further into the bathroom, we have the vanity with the vessel sink, anti-fog mirror, shower, which has the wood plank panels, has the rain shower head. We have the barnyard frameless glass shower door, pocket door here, which gives you the privacy in the bathroom as well. Now we're going into the bedroom. Here we have a built-in full XL bed. Typically, we don't put the built-in beds anymore because we want to give the customer the choice of what they would like to put here. Some people want a queen, some people want a king. So we've kind of got away from this. Some people want drawers to come out for the storage. This one here has a hydraulic lift for storage. We also have a mini split AC system. It can get really cold or warm in here if you need it. Here's another entry door. It's a standard entry door, but it's also hurricane rated. So yeah, that's pretty much, this is our 40-foot premium model. This unit right now is selling at $75,000 as is, but if we were to build this over again, it would roughly be around $85,000.